Hey, so this is me again. Today I'm going to test out my new GoPro Hero 7. This one has the Hypersmooth Stabilization, which I'm going to try out. So let me switch. It's pretty warm outside. I think it's 9 o'clock in the morning and the weather seems to be already 80 Fahrenheit. I'm going to try jumping off that ramp. Let's see how it goes. I hope I don't break my leg. No, that wasn't as elegant as a deer though, but I tried. The camera's froze. Some shoes which you don't mind getting them dirty, like these. This one kind of like flipped open. It kind of broke. I guess I have to go home and fix it. A mobile holder. You can wrap this around your thigh. Maybe my thigh is too big. Maybe up here on the calf, or you can just wrap it around your arm. They're pretty good. Quick stuff for some photo shoot. The battery on the GoPro Hero 7, yeah, it's dying out a bit earlier than I thought. but it's 4K video, so let's Pearl has 2% battery left, just 2.